Welcome back, watch addicts. Today is watch day, not bike day. This has been, like I said in my last one, this has been a long time coming, but this has been a long time coming. I'm rather disappointed, and that looks like somebody's actually stood on this. That looks like a footprint. So it looks like somebody's actually stood on this, so I'm not really happy about that. Hoping whatever's in it is okay, but you know, that's FedEx for you. This was supposed to arrive between the 16th and the 21st. Let's do a wristwatch check. Wearing my Seiko Astron. This is the SAST 003. Beautiful watch. So as you can see on the date, it's the 29th today. So obviously I'm the last person to get the watch. So I'm not very happy about that, Watchgang. So I hope this is actually okay and whatever's inside it isn't broke. Because somebody has put a big footstep on that. Stood on there. So I'm not very happy. So let's do an unboxing. Or unbagging I should say, because it's not a box. Get rid of that. So let's get this. 4th of July, coming soon. Not quite sure. So that's even all Benton. Head start, that's right. Yep. Sign up. So let's see what we've got. Oh, we got an Axwell. Okay, throw that down there. Right. Is it broke? Is it busted? Does look a bit thingied on the sides. Oh, never mind. Just hope this watch is in one piece. So let's just move that out of the way. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, warranty card. Yep. So what have we got? Oh, got a red dial. I've not got a red dial watch actually. So that'll go nicely in the collection. Let's get a close up of that. What is it? Oh, it's quartz movement again. Now, I think we struck it lucky last month with the pure dial one. That's a really nice watch. That I have been wearing that quite a bit actually. But this is the Axwell. I'm not quite sure what model it is. Have a look. Ascent, I think it is. There's something on the back. So let's get that off because that looks a bit. Get a better look at it. So nice red dial on that. It doesn't look too bad. So, oh, it's a GMT as well. It's New York time. One up there. Well, that's not the right time either. So what time is it? Actually coming up to 7 in the evening. So that's got a screw down crown. That's a bonus. Oh, I'm actually liking the red dial. I'm not too sure about that the red on the inner. But, you know, it is quite a nice watch, that. You got your metal bracelet. See what the clasp's like. Oh, we've got a milled clasp. My God. Oh, and I'll tell you what, that's nice and secure, that. So, have we got solid end links? No. Doesn't look like solid end links. It might be, might not. Actually, I think they are, actually. I'm focused. But that is not bad, actually. Kind of like that. I know a few people got the quarter chronograph watches. Well, I've already got quarter chronograph, so I don't really need another one. But as you probably know, I love my diver watches, and this is a diver GMT. So what is it? Let's have it. So we've got that. I just want to see what it is. Just move that out of the way. Let's have a look. Is it 100 meters or 200 meters? Oh, one more. 200 meters. You get that? You got 200 meters water resistant. So that's not too bad. Probably go diving in it. Got your screw down case back as well. Got the logo on the crown. Oh my God, that's stiff. Okay, it's just got a bit looser now. Does it line up? Yeah, it does actually. Lines up spot on. Well done, Axwell. Getting a bezel that lines up. Yeah, it's quite a nice watch actually. Like I say, I've not got a red dial, so that'll add to the collection. I don't normally go for red dials, but it's better than green. You know, green dials, green bezels. Not too bad if it's a khaki green, but when it's a bright green, you know, like grass, you know, the colour of grass or whatever, I'm not over keen. But I'm actually liking that, so thanks Watchgang for this watch. But I'm not very happy with the amount of time it's actually took. I did get a message from you to say it was sent out. Oh well, it actually wasn't sent out, it was, we are preparing your watch, and that was on the 18th of this month, which to me is, you know, disgraceful. It should have been sent out well before then. But other than that, I'm liking it. So thanks once again. Check out my other videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. I will be doing more watches and that. Check out my bike videos. I did post up another video yesterday. Well, actually, yeah, it was yesterday. With the new bike I've just purchased, and I've got my other bikes up there. So check them out. I will be doing some more bike videos soon. I'll be out on the new bike, probably on the Sunday. See how it goes. I'll probably maybe Friday night, Friday evening. So anyway, that's the Axwell Ascent. Oh, Swiss Ronda movement. So there's got Swiss Ronda movement in it as well. So anyway, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon. Right, I did forget to do something. I forgot to do a wristwatch check. But when I went to put this on my wrist to try it, I'm going to show you something now, and this is absolutely disgraceful. Look at that. That is like a razor blade. That's sharp as hell, that. Put that on my wrist. I know it's a bit big, but that is actually sticking up. That could actually catch on something, that. But as usual, I will be changing it out. I'm going to put this on a leather strap because I can't wear that. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Well, anyway, I'm going to put it on the leather strap and you can see what it looks like. Well, it does look quite good on the wrist. So I'll put it on there. Oh, no, not the leather strap. I'm actually going to put it on a rubber strap and see what it looks like. And then I'll get something a little bit better. So let's just try it on the rubber strap. So now I put it on the rubber strap. It looks much better, and to be honest, it's a bit more comfortable. I haven't got any sharp edges because they very sharp edges then. And with that sticking up like that, that's going to catch on something or cut something or scrape on something. So the other side was actually alright. It wasn't sticking up or anything. It actually fitted on it. So there must have been some type of problem with that side. So anyway, it's on the rubber strap now. I am liking that on the rubber strap. I'm liking the colour. It's really nice. Let's see what type of loom we've got on it, because I forgot to do the loom as well. So let's have a and let's see if we've got any decent loom on it. Let's just turn this one off. There we go, look at that. That's not bad. Loom on the bezel, hands and hour markers. Oh, and the second hand as well. So that's pretty good. Not quite sure how long it's going to last, but you'll see in time. Well, yeah, I'm liking that. So anyway, hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more watches, more bikes, and I'll keep going on. So I'll see you soon. Catch you later.